Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, we're going to be looking at some new product. I got the 60 Arteza gouache colors, and they weren't sent to me. I did pay for these myself because I've been getting into gouache more, and I had gotten this one, which was all metallics. But I will tell you, don't get the metallics separate if you're going to get the 60 count, because the metallics are in there, okay? So you don't have to worry about having to get the separate just metallics, because if you get in the 60, you're getting all of them. I also got these watercolor holders. These, I've seen some of the people on YouTube use them for gouache, and it works because, when the gouache dries out, all you need is water to reactivate. So they work very much like watercolors in that sense. The only thing is if you use the pans, they do have a tendency to crack. Don't panic, it's okay. You just wet it up and you can keep using the color, okay? So it's not going to be perfectly pretty like if you did a watercolor set in that pan, but it is a way to have a palette that's more accessible, and that way you don't have to go through all the individual containers, because this is a lot to go through to try and find colors every time you want to create something. So we're going to go ahead and actually get these back in. And the tubes are, I want to say they're like a metal, because they're not plastic or anything like that. You get a lot of paint in each of these. So you don't have to worry about, not having enough paint for sure. And let me see here. So I think, okay. I wanted to put it to the side because I wanted to show you guys real quick how I set up my palette. So I was showing you the paints there. On here, I've actually gone through and filled up each of the pans with the gouache paint. So I'm going to wind up leaving this open. This was just freshly done. As you can tell, there's not a whole lot of cracks, and it's looking really pretty, actually. It's looking a little yummy, like a little color yumminess. And then I didn't have enough because on the one, each pan only holds 48. So the last few I put over into this pan, and then I did a little one of the Winsor Newton white, which is the one that I've been using with the black watercolor paper. But I wanted to show you how I was using them, and these are really great for holding in your hand. They're meant for traveling and different things like that. I didn't put them in any kind of special color order. I just went by the order on the box and just put them in as I went. So this is after it's dried for a little bit, and you can see some of the cracks, okay? I'm not going to panic. Nothing is falling out. It doesn't seem very dusty or causing a lot of problems. So, I mean, I think it's working out okay. And then this one, you can see some of the cracks. And this is still not completely dry because as I was pushing down on them, they were still kind of squishy. So, yeah. But I just wanted to share with you basically what they look like. And I'm thinking about using this stamp set from Waffle to create a palette, so that way I can see what all the colors look like, especially on the black watercolor paper. So keep an eye out for that video. Thank you guys for joining me today, checking out all this new product. Sorry I don't have a project on this one, but like I said, keep an eye out, and I hope to share the palette that I'm gonna make with the watercolor paper, and then maybe I'll actually get into making some projects, because I'm really digging these gouache paints and learning how to use them. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Okay, you guys, I'll have links to the pan sets that I got from Amazon down below, and I'll also link to the gouache paints. So thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day.